How to save Excel sheet as PDF. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So here you can see I have used Google spreadsheet, but if you have Microsoft Excel, the process is just the same. First, edit all your data. Make sure you have all the data is correct and it is ready to be downloaded. After doing that, simply go to the file right over here. Then you will see an option of download. Click on download, then select PDF. After that, you can change your paper size and then you can also export all the sheets without having to cut it by using or by selecting current sheet option rather than selected shells. So select your page orientation. If you want to make it longer, select portrait. This will fit much longer details. If your detail is long, and simply go to normal 100% and then export it as a PDF. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll get you in the next one.